Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, guys, box four. Phil, you hit 3 whites and a super in 11 boxes. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Yeah, I'd rather be a target too. Leo Cardenas. For the Twins. That's cool. Bryce Harper, short print. Well, I was gonna put him with heritage breaks, but now I'm doing these tiny breaks. You know, they just take a really long time to update. But I think they're good breaks because you can get in a break. It gives you something to sweat. You know, something to do, or even watch the next day. You don't even have to. You know, you don't have to be here right now. And then. You know, and it didn't cost you much. You know what I mean? I think that's important right now. Not that, you know, everybody's out of work. There's, you know, plenty of people that still have the same amount of disposable income today that they did a month ago. But, you know, some people, they're just, you know, let's do these, you know, $3 and $4 breaks. That's fine. Jose Barrios. Urias short print. Oh no, they put the Bay Area in a shelter in place. I don't know what that means. But I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, they look like this. They're, what are they called? Megas, right? And the catch is they have this exclusive 3 cards. Heritage Chrome. They probably shouldn't have put Jackass on there, but that's what they're talking about. The Chrome, let's see what the Chrome odds are. It's Phil. It says Chrome is 1 in 800, and well, that's probably not from the pack though. That little pack's probably different. It says 1 in 849. Yelich, Joe Torre. What's up, Shalini? Doing all right? James Paxton. Short print. Jorge Soler. Refractor. Oh, wow. Oh, no, I 100% believe you. They do that a lot. You know, they'll have crazy odds and then not be indicative at all to what's inside the product. Ozzy Albies. So we got a refractor and an Albies. And a Vladdy short print. And an Evil Knievel kind of guy. Oh, Donnie. Nice card. Yeah, I don't know. I am worried about my Bowman break. I'll be 100% honest with you. You know, it's not just the word worried. I'm really worried because I spent so much money. $315,000 I spent on Bowman. So, really hoping that everything worked out. I mean, it's not like I would lose it all, but ugh. Altuve Silver. Ugh. I don't like Altuve. But the hit probably still sells. You know, I don't even know. I put some breaks up at basically my cost, so you could probably just find those and you'd see. I forget what it is. Pete Alonso short print. But yeah, I'm legitimately concerned. I talked to Blowout about it today, and you know, they were like, "Don't worry about it, everything will be fine." But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe, you know, honestly, and this is horrible, but the best thing they could do is push it back. I mean, you know, push it back like a month, you know? That's really what I'm hoping that they do. They just push it back a month. That would be the way to go. So we got Ozzie Albies. There's also a Soler Refractor and Cardenas for the Twins from 71. But the Altuve Silver's really rare. I don't know what it sells for, but it's really rare. You might hit one of those in a case. I mean, you could hit two. I think I've had as many as 3, but I've also had cases upon cases without any. You know, I mean, they're pretty rare. So that's box 4. The short prints, there's nothing terribly special about them. They're just good names. I like them. That's really all. That's all that one was. All right, box 5 coming up. Let me save your video.